Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Nelu, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Canon EOS Rebel T7 Camera. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. On this channel, I review products that I use in my Etsy store, as well as different tips and tricks I kind of use in my day-to-day running the Etsy store that I have. Well, with that said, let's get to the video. Alrighty, so let's talk about what's inside the box when you first get your camera. So with this camera was purchased at Costco, just as a disclaimer, because I know they offer something a little bit different than everybody else. Inside the box, you get your camera, you get your two lenses, battery pack, battery, SD card that's inside the camera already, and you get a bag. This bag, unfortunately, does not come with a Costco purchase. This bag was purchased on Amazon separately. It was a little pricey, but it's a lot sturdier than the bag that came with the Costco purchase, and it's a lot more organizable. Let's talk about first impressions. So the first impressions, when you're pulling it outside of the box, it looks really nice. It really looks really high tech. The feel of it is really nice. It's not too heavy. Definitely not the lightest thing in the world. It's got a lot of different options. I know for sure there's a automatic and a manual for people that are a little bit more advanced. For one, I am not as advanced, but I am using Skillshare. It's a website that you subscribe to, and the people teach you different skills, I guess. With that, I have been taking some little lessons on that website, teaching me how to take pictures of products, so product photography and different things like that. Now, I'm not sponsored by Costco, Canon, Skillshare, or anything. This is just stuff that I've been doing for my Etsy store. Okay, and so one really cool thing with this camera is they do have an app-based program. So you download the Canon app, and on this app, you're able to download your pictures directly from the camera. So if you are like an Instagrammer or somebody that blogs a lot, it's really simple to take pictures with your camera, really nice high-def pictures if your phone is not capable of doing that. Being able to download it right there on your phone, edit it on your phone if that's what you do, and then you're able to go ahead and upload it straight from your phone. So the compatibility is really nice. It does download not only to your phone, but your computer, your iPad or your tablet, depending on what you have. When I purchased this camera, it was $449 at Costco. I know that's not what the retail price is now. Prices do change, so I will go ahead and link the Costco link if you have a Costco membership. If you don't, I am linking the Amazon link as well for the camera, and I'll link the lenses as well, just in case you're just looking for a lens, or the SD card, because you need a high capacity SD card if you're planning to shoot videos and different things like that. So I'll go ahead and link all that stuff in the videos below. Hopefully that helps you guys. The quality of the camera, like as in with pictures. So I did take a couple pictures with the camera. I took it of my car, of my nephew, and just some things around the house. I also took it of pictures of my dog, Nala. And so as you can see with these pictures, they look really good. I have not taken any product photography pictures yet, as I'm still kind of learning that stuff. So hopefully that comes soon. And so the overall review of the Canon EOS Rebel T7 camera, in my opinion, of course, I love it. It's really simple to use. I love the capability of downloading the photos straight to your phone versus having to plug it in and blah, blah, blah. So it's really simple to use. The picture quality is really nice, in my opinion. And for what I'm using it, I think it's a great starter camera. I think if it's somebody that wants to use this camera for family events or going on a vacation, or maybe you're using it for your Etsy store, I think it's a great camera. I mean, definitely if you have like an iPhone and stuff like that, if you're starting on Etsy and you don't want to take that plunge yet, I totally understand. I did it because I wanted to bring up my photography, and I love family trips and stuff like that. We travel a lot. And so with that traveling, I wanted to have a nice camera to capture all those moments. So that's what I'm using this camera. Video quality, it does video quality. The only thing is when if you're YouTubing, right? In that sense, the video quality, you can't see the screen. So like being able to focus, if you're doing it by yourself, like how I record my videos myself, it's going to be a little bit more difficult to get yourself in focus because you can't see yourself with the camera. So with that, I keep it mainly just for pictures. So, well guys, I hope this review helped you in making that decision. Like I said, I got this camera at Costco. I know at Costco it does come with the extra lens, and it comes with the extra lens. Like I said, you guys, I purchased this camera at Costco, and it does come with the 75 to 300 millimeter lens, and it comes with its normal lens, which is 18 to 55 millimeter. Like I said, I'm not so advanced in the camera talk, I guess would be the right word to use. With it, the lens that I've been using for taking the photos is this lens, and that's the 18 to 55 millimeter lens. So guys, like I said, I bought this camera at Costco, and purchasing it from Costco, it did have an advantage. It did come with this 75 to 300 millimeter lens that normally is not included if you're purchasing it from a different retailer or online. This one at Costco did come with an extra lens, and that was the reason I purchased it. Not that I know how to use it, but that's why I purchased it. Overall, I think it's a great camera. This is my opinion, of course. Well guys, that's my review and my thoughts of the Canon camera. So I hope you liked it. If you did like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, and please subscribe to my channel if you want more product reviews and different things I'm doing around my Etsy store. Well, I hope you really enjoyed it. I love you guys. Have a great one.